In this video today, I'm going to show you how to prepare and install the battery on our 125cc Grizzly. So first things first, we're going to want to open the box and take all the components out. Okay, so we're going to take the battery, the acid. So be very careful with this, not to get on your fingers or your clothes. Wear gloves if you have any. If not, if it gets on your hands, just wash your hands off right away. And take everything out that I need. Take the cap off. Okay, and I'm just gonna poke some holes into here. Just like so. Then from there, I'm going to grab my battery and line it up. Like so. And clip it in, just like so. Then I'm going to take the pin that comes in the bag. I'm going to poke holes in every single little row so the acid can drain through into the battery, just like so. As you can see, the acid's already going down. It's just doesn't go too slow. It's almost there. So now once that's done, we're going to take this off. Okay, slip it out, and then we're going to grab our black little cap to go over, and we're going to put it into every hole just like so. Okay. And now we're done with that. So in that little bag we have two nuts and two bolts. So beforehand I'm just going to slide them in to the battery just to make everything a bit easier. I'm going to grab my battery, my two bolts, and I'm going to move over to my unit. So the battery is located under the seat. I'm just going to remove the seat, put it to the side. And I'm going to look at both my wires so I can see that my positive is going this way and my negative is going that way. So I'm going to move them out of the way, slip it right through. Okay. Then I'm going to start with my positive. Grab the bolt, slide it through, just like so, and just screw it in. Get it nice and tight. Flip the little cover on it. Move the wire out of the way. Then I'm going to grab my negative, which is right here, and do the exact same thing. Just like so. And then after, I'm going to grab something to stick behind my battery, just so the battery doesn't move, as the battery holder is a bit bigger than the battery. Let me just grab it really quickly. So I have a little piece of foam with the adhesive on the back. You can stuff cardboard in there. You can stuff anything in there that doesn't move the battery. But here we have just this adhesive pad. So I'm just going to slide it through, just like so. And that is how you install the battery on our 125cc Venom Grizzly.